Hey, what's up guys? I hope that all of you are doing well. So as you know that the long awaited One UI 7 update is now available for the Galaxy S24 Ultra. And if you have not already, so you can install it from your settings app. Simply go into your settings app and then you have to scroll down and tap on this software update option. Then you have to tap on download and install. From here you will get to see a new update available of 5 GB in size with the security patch level of April 1st 2025. So the One UI 7 update comes up with a brand new AI features and some of the new UI design. So today in this video we will talk about the camera features and the changes in the One UI 7 update. First of all, the camera app icon is changed, and if you will open the camera app you will get to see that the camera app is a lot more cleaner than before. In the above section, all the information is clear and now you have all the quick settings available in this tiny option. As you can see, it has all the quick settings that you need that were there before on the above side that are available now over here. You can also adjust the exposure from here, and if you will go to the camera settings and in the advanced video option, you will get to see that now the Pro lock is available with the Galaxy S24 Ultra as well. You can also shoot HDR10 plus videos now with this new One UI 7 update. And in the option of settings to keep, you can quickly adjust the quick settings that are available in that button. Yes, I was talking about this quick settings option over here, as it has all the quick and the settings that you need. Further, if you want to switch between portrait and video, so that is available over here now. All of these settings are easy to access now, as previously these were not easy to access. Also, you can record the videos with the filter now, and you can also adjust the filter according to your need by adjusting the color, temperature, contrast or saturation or strength. You can adjust the settings and record the videos with a filter. Simply tap on this quick settings and then tap on this filter option. Then if you want to record in the Pro log, so simply go into the Pro video and tap on this log option. So now you can record in the log. You can also adjust the settings like the ISO, shutter speed and further more settings in the log video. And that's a wrap for today's video. These were some of the new UI changes with the camera app with the One UI 7 update. If you are new on this channel, so make sure to like and subscribe, as I will keep you updated with the new upcoming updates and the features of the One UI 7 update.